Hello and welcome to our little strawberry cutting challenge. So today, John Allen and I are going to have a little competition. Who can slice the strawberries the most efficiently? He is going to be using the brand new Pampered Chef cup slicer, and I will be using the Forged Cutlery serrated knife. So watch, we each have 5 strawberries, and let's see who is able to do it the quickest and most efficient. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Dang it! Okay, so he definitely won. And look how awesome the cup slicer is. Everybody needs to add it to their kitchen.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
If you would like to add the cup slicer or any other products to your kitchen, please visit my website at www.pamperedchef.biz/Sarah McGuire. Or if you have any questions, please reach out. And don't forget to give me a follow on TikTok as well.